Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the LED cable from a Dell XPS 13 version 9380. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to gently separate and remove base cover. Next, unscrew and disconnect battery. Then disconnect and remove LED cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.